In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and submit your website domain for Paddle approval. Before you even log into your account, the most important part of this process is making sure your website is fully ready for review. Paddle will look at your site to confirm that it clearly explains what you sell and that it appears trustworthy and complete. Start by checking that your website is live and secured with HTTPS or SSL, so visitors see the padlock icon in the browser. This is important because it shows that your site is using a secure connection. Next, make sure your website clearly describes your product or service. Anyone reviewing the site should be able to understand what you offer without confusion. Your pricing should also be visible on a dedicated pricing page or somewhere easy to find. In addition to that, your key legal pages need to be available and clearly linked. That includes your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and refund policy. These pages help show that your business is transparent and properly set up for online sales. Also, take a moment to verify that your legal or business name is consistent everywhere on the website and in your account details. If the name shown on your site does not match the official business information, that can slow down approval or create unnecessary issues. Once your website is ready, open Chrome and go to paddle.com. Sign into your account and make sure you enter your live account, not the sandbox environment. This part matters because domain approval must be completed in the live setup if you want to use it for real customer transactions. After logging in, look at the menu on the left side of the dashboard. Navigate to Checkout, then find the section labeled Website Approval or Domain Review. This is where you manage the domains connected to your checkout process. When you're there, click Add New Domain to begin submitting your website. At this stage, enter your domain carefully. Make sure the website address is typed correctly and matches the actual live domain you prepared earlier. It's a good idea to double check for spelling errors, missing characters, or submitting the wrong version of the site. Accuracy here helps avoid delays and makes the review process smoother. Once everything looks correct, submit the domain for review. After that, Paddle will review the website based on the information and pages you've already prepared. If you took the time to make your site complete, secure, and consistent, you'll give yourself the best chance of a smooth approval process. That's it for this walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.